Stephen Philip Jones is an English rock guitarist and radio DJ. He was a guitarist with the Sex Pistols. Following the split of the Sex Pistols, he formed the Professionals with former bandmate Paul Cook. He has also released 2 solo albums and worked with the likes of Johnny Thunders, Iggy Pop, Bob Dylan and Thin Lizzy. In 1995, he formed the short-lived supergroup Neurotic Outsiders with members of Guns N' Roses and Duran. Jones was ranked number 97 in Rolling Stone's list of the 100 greatest guitarists of all time, which was published in 2015. Jones was born in Shepherd's Bush, London, where he grew up with his young mother, who worked as a hairdresser, and his grandparents. He first moved to Benbow Road in Shepherd's Bush and then to Nine Elms in Battersea. He was an only child and his father, Don Jarvis, a professional boxer, left when he was 2 years old. He revealed in his 2016 autobiography Lonely Boy that he was sexually abused by his stepfather, Ron Dambagella, which he blamed for his later sex addiction and inability to form lasting relationships. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.